Customer service. It's no longer just you against your direct competition. So recently I saw a tweet by Shep Hyken, who's a customer service and experience expert and noted author, expert around customer service and experience. And he tweeted that customer service don't compare you only to your direct competition anymore. Customers now compare you to the best service they've received from anyone, regardless of the type of business or industry. I love this tweet. Couldn't love it more. Loved it on Twitter, as a matter of fact, and retweeted it myself because we've talked about this for years at Service Express, that we do not want to be just the best third-party maintenance company in the world, right? We don't want to have the best customer service regarding third-party maintenance only. We don't even want to be the best at customer service for the IT space only or the business space only. We've talked about this for years. We want our customers to compare the experience that they get working with Service Express and the level of customer service that we deliver to them with any experience and any customer service that they get anywhere, whether it's going out to eat, buying something online or at a store or another vendor, whatever it is. We want to be the best. That's our bar, and that's what we're always aiming for. And I think that's how people think about it now more and more. I tell people a lot of times when they hire in at Service Express is be ready to be ruined for all your other customer service experiences, because I believe we do provide a best-in-class customer experience for anybody in any industry, anywhere in the world. And we have a Net Promoter Score that's 90. So I think that backs that up pretty much. And that's our bar. That's what we're trying to be. Again, I don't want to just be the best in our marketplace in third-party maintenance. That's not good enough for me. It's not high enough. I don't want to be just the best in the IT space. I want them to think about Service Express the way they think about any other customer service experience. And I want to be number one there. Now, encourage you in whatever industry you're in, whatever your business in, aim to be the number one experience that any of your customers have ever experienced, no matter what they're doing in the world. That should be the bar. Will you always attain it? I don't know. Probably not. I mean, that's a high bar to have, but should we be aiming for that? Yes. And will that elevate you above your competition in your direct space? I believe it will. So if you're not aiming for that already, I suggest you change your sights, aim for that, and watch the results pay off.